Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing the recipe for quick instant puffs in a very healthy method without using all purpose flour and without using loads of butter. So we don't have to do all the lengthy process of making puff pastry sheets or even don't have to buy from the stores. We can just make these instant puffs and everyone will enjoy them. Here you can see the layers and it is just like the store bought one. Now let's break this and see how crispy it is. Here you can see all the layers are very crispy and flaky just like the store bought puffs, and this is very simple and healthy because we did not use all purpose flour, which is refined flour, and also we did not use loads of butter. Now let's get into the video and see how to make this instant puffs. To start with our recipe, take 1 cup of whole wheat flour in a mixing bowl and add salt as per taste and 1/4 spoon of carom seeds or ajwain. Rub the carom seeds in between the palms like this and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Now mix all the ingredients and add water gradually to form into a dough. This gradual adding of water helps in knowing the correct consistency of the dough. We have to make the dough just like the puri dough that we make. Knead the dough well, and after the dough is formed, allow this to rest for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, this is resting. Let's see the next preparation. Here I took 3 to 4 green chilies, 1 inch ginger sliced and 2 garlic pods. Now transfer them to a mixie jar and make into a paste. Here you can see our ginger garlic green chili paste is ready. Now transfer this to a small bowl and to the same mixie jar measure 1 cup of green peas, 1 medium sized potato peeled and diced. Now transfer everything to the mixie jar and grind it to a smooth paste. Here our green peas potato paste is ready. Now heat the pan and add 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 onion chopped and saute and allow them to fry for a minute. Once the onion turns translucent, now add this ginger garlic and green chili paste and saute. Now add this green peas and potato paste to the onion that is fried well and saute this. To this add salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of amchur powder. Now give it a good mix so that all the spices gets mixed up with the mixer. And now add 1/3 cup of water and allow this to cook for about a minute. Now cover with the lid and allow to cook for a minute. After a minute this is well cooked. So now transfer to a bowl. Now allow this to cool and take a bowl and add 4 teaspoons of corn flour, and to this corn flour add 6 teaspoons of oil and give it a good mix. Here our corn flour mixer is ready. So by this time our dough is also well rested. Now knead the dough once again and make into small balls. Now take each ball, dust in the flour and flatten and make it into a flat roti. Here you can see a thin sheet of flat roti is ready. Now transfer this to a plate and continue the process and make all the flat rotis with all the balls. Once all the rotis are made, take each roti and spread this corn flour paste that we made. Spread this evenly on the entire roti and sprinkle some dry flour. Now transfer another roti above the bottom one and form the layers like this. Now Roll all the rotis, folding from the edges into a log kind of. Now divide this log into small portions with the help of knife like this. Always cut the log, moving the knife front and back so that the layers are not disturbed. Here you can see each and every layer is separate and clear. This way, without disturbing the layers, we have to cut the log. Now press it and flatten this. Now roll each portion into small puris with the help of rolling pin. Once the puri is formed, now transfer the stuffing. Apply the corn flour paste along the edges of the puri to seal this. After applying the corn flour, now fold this puri and seal the edges with the help of fingers or fork, whatever it is. Now continue the same process and make all the puffs ready. Here you can see our puffs are ready. So now heat oil in a pan and drop a small ball of dough in the oil. If the dough rises to the top of the oil is perfectly heated. So here our oil is well heated. Now transfer each puff slowly and allow them to fry. Do not disturb them until a minute. Now after a minute, flip to the other side and allow them to fry on both sides. So some people may think because this is deep fried, it is not healthy, but it's not that. Each and everything that is deep fried is not healthy. Even though we are baking them in the oven, we are using loads of butter to bake them. If we see the process of making puff pastry sheets, loads of butter is there in that. So compared to that, this is more healthy. Now here our puffs are well fried. You can see the layers visible. Now transfer each puff into a strainer and drain the excess oil like this. After draining, transfer them to the serving plate. With this, our healthy instant whole wheat flour puffs without butter or yeast are ready to be served as a party appetizer or a tea time snack or after school snack. Here you can see all the layers are visible and these are very crispy and flaky. Now let me break one for you to show. Wow, these are so crispy and flaky and the stuffing is awesome. So friends, please try making this healthy instant whole wheat flour puffs without butter or yeast and do comment how you liked about them. If you like my recipe, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting and healthy videos. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.